My name is Alex Fenech. I work for Security National Mortgage Company. My title with them is IT Support Manager and BI Developer. Yeah, our company is a mortgage company, so we fund home loans for a variety of purposes across the nation. When I first came on, it started instantaneously with Caspio. The first thing that I needed to do was build a database. The primary purpose of my job was maintaining all of our personnel information and making sure people had transparency into that. Some of the challenges that we faced as a company are very similar to what other companies face. We have data everywhere. We are part of a larger parent financial company, and their interests are spread across the board. So we're a mortgage company, but there's also a life insurance company, a mortuary company, a memorial company, a real estate company. So it doesn't make sense for them to be able to customize things for what mortgage needed. We brought Caspio in to develop our own application that kind of complemented what our corporate was doing, but gave us all the customization we needed and still fed data out to them to make their lives easier, and we were able to bring data in from them for our own purposes so that we could manipulate it and change it how we needed without really affecting what they needed their data to do. Yeah, so the first application we built utilized everything that Caspio really had to offer at the time. We built tables, we used it to combine into views, and we produced data pages that we deployed out on a WordPress site. Through those data pages is how our marketing department was able to interact with it and feed in the invoices and the other data that just needed to get mashed together. We then developed another Caspio application for our marketing team to do project management and tracking, and then they could incorporate by tracking how many hours they were putting in for different projects for creating brochures or flyers or what have you. All that now gets pushed into the same invoice system. So now our marketing went from yanking invoices from however many applications or vendors they were using to one that would get submitted to corporate, and it made everything so much simpler by being able to do that. With no experience, I was able to go into Caspio and right away I could build a database and I could build an application. And I really didn't need to have more knowledge than that. But Caspio doesn't just go to make something that's going to be simple and quick. I feel like they've put a lot of effort into user education. Everything else that Caspio provides is really driven toward making sure I know what I'm doing and that I can fully support it moving forward. I don't feel like I can make something in Caspio that I'm not capable of continuing to support after that.